Okay, so with pocket fixed blades being all the rage right now, I figured I would pick one out and do an unboxing on it. So I had 3 or 4 different ones I was looking at, and this is the one I decided to go for. Um, the main reason was the design of it and the price point. This is under $25. It's right at 24 and some change on Amazon. So I decided to go with it. I like the look of it, so I figured I'd give it a shot. So let's take a look. Get it out of here. Really nice packaging. But it is the Odenwolf Mini 2. So silica pack. It's got a little informational pamphlet on it. Looks like a neck lanyard and some sort of a little ring. We'll get into that in a minute. Let's look at the knife first, though. Nice little pocket clip. Good little thumb ramp to push off with. Okay. Fills the hand up good. It's got a nice lanyard hole. Good grippy texture for the handle. Nice Scandi grind. It's in D2 steel. And the closest competitors to this for me were the Morneve Eldris, which runs about 35-40 bucks depending on the sheath system you get for it. The Hele Nying, which is upwards of $90 to $100, and the other one was a Joker, and I cannot remember the model name of it, but it was also, upwards of 50-60 bucks. So for $25, the choice was easy. So I went with this one. I'm very glad I did. Feels good in the hand. You get a good 4-finger grip on it. The main thing I was looking for is this little section right here where it gets thin and then it flares back out, because that's what the Hele Nying had. And I handled one of those down at Red Hill Cutlery and I was very happy with it. Yeah, it's got a 90-degree spine. You can definitely strike ferrule rod with that. Nice Scandi grind. We're going to do a full review on this thing, but right now this is just the unboxing. And I'll tell you what, for 25 bucks, this thing is a steal. It's got a nice weight to it too. It's surprisingly heavier than I thought it would be to just take a look at it. But let me open this real quick and then we'll call it a day on the unboxing. And the next video will be an actual use video. Okay, so it comes with a ferrule rod and a scraper. Nice. And a neck lanyard. So for 25 bucks, that is a heck of a package. I would highly recommend checking out the Odenwolf Mini. Give them a look.